Okay, so I'm back. Yeah, we'll kind of have to see how the audio volume is this time because I've been messing around with it a little bit, so I hope it's fine. But we will continue where we left off last time, or, well, actually a little bit further along. Let me show you what I did in the meantime, because I've added a little bit to the program since I finished the last stream. So as you can see now, not only is the price displayed, it also shows the price converted into dollars, as well as the person who created the order. Also, one more thing that I added, well, I mean, there's this offers thing where you can switch between offers in Ethereum, gods, and IMX, except that this doesn't work yet, so that's what we're going to be doing today. Also, you can now switch between the different qualities by just clicking the buttons here as well. So, good stuff, I think. So let's see, first of all, how... I'll quickly go over how all of this works. So most of the code is, I think, in... Well, there's a little bit of code here, if I can find it. Yeah, so first of all, of course, there's now a currency associated with every order. So whether it's in Ethereum, God's tokens, or IMX. I mean, there's more different currencies that you can use, actually. But for now, we're just going to use these three because, well, pretty much all orders on IMX are being made in one of these three. If you're wondering where I get these addresses from, I can show you. I actually got them from the... I mean, I'm doing it in the same way that I got them in the PyGU market, which I made earlier. So there's this API somewhere. Let's see, where is it? Get token list. Yeah, so there's this API access thing for Immutable X, where if you just go to this, you'll get a list of all the different tokens that you can use to trade on IMX together with their token address. Now, only for Ethereum, there is of course no address for ETH, but everything else has an address, as well as things like decimals and a quantum. But I mean, this stuff, that's all being dealt with by the other library that I made for trading on IMX, so we don't actually need to worry about these. At least not for now. So yeah, let's see. Next thing I would like to do, or this is the wrong program, of course, is make it so that you can actually switch between these different currencies. So for that, we go back to our card window. And the first thing I want to to get to actually work is the different currencies themselves, and then we can worry about switching them, because right now the only thing that can ever work is Ethereum, because the way I get the prices in the order book setup method is from this URL here, and that just has ETH hard-coded in. So of course we're gonna have to change that, but unfortunately we can't just change this to GODS or IMX. That doesn't work. We need to use the actual address at which the token is located. And we can just copy some code from our Python program that we made earlier for this, because I've already done this once before. So let's just see where I do that here. It's probably somewhere in the buy card method. Yeah. So let's see. Yeah, so there's this thing called token string. Okay. So if it's ETH, if token string is ETH, then we just ignore the buy token address, and we just put that there, otherwise we don't. So how different is this from what we have here? Okay, so it's literally the same thing. So we can actually just use the exact same method that we have there here. So let's do string token str. And we'll just do let's see, let's do the address for IMX first, or for gods actually. There's way more offers in being made in gods than in IMX. So I'll just copy this. Let's first see if we can just get the orders in gods instead of in ETH. So let's just this part here for now. And we'll just do it like this. Okay. Now, of course, it's still going to say ETH on the card itself, but the prices I think should be in gods. Now, I mean, I probably messed it up somewhere because I did do this quite quickly without really paying attention too much to what I was doing. So, but we'll see. Maybe I got it right the first time. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. So those prices do look like they're in gods. Oh. Let's see. I mean, obviously the calculations now are totally off because it thinks that this is Ethereum, but of course it isn't. I just want to see if those orders make sense. If those are the orders in gods. 2.16, 2.36, 22916, 023. Yeah. Okay, so this looks to be working just fine. Yeah. Yeah. Great. Okay, so we're probably going to be able to fix this quite quickly, actually. Let's see then. So what we should do is get the token that we're going to use from the quality thing, from the not the quality, CB token dot text. How does this work? It can't just be text, right? It has to be something else. Pretty sure. Selected item. What is it called? Currency list. Currency list. This of course needs to be a string. Yeah, we'll just do this. And I will say something like, why does that not work? That should work, shouldn't it? Oh, crap. Yeah. Currency list. Currency list is not null here. Yeah, well, it is never null. That's the thing. I don't really understand what it's complaining about. Okay. Good. For now, we'll just do a console write line. It's nothing because it's ETH. Okay, cool. That works. And now all we need to do is do this. And then say if token length is 0, then token is this. Okay. That does seem to be working. And this should now just be token currency dot name. Seems to be working, but let's make sure. Because I'm not entirely certain anymore how I implemented this. Order should be in wallet somewhere. Yeah, and then order bar does the rest. So this just, yeah, so it takes the token price from the currency list, and then it just multiplies the total price by the, or the, yeah, so by the price of the token. Or, well, no, it shows the currency here, and then here it multiplies it by the token price and rounds it to 2 decimals. So you get a price in dollars. Okay. So now all that's left is to make it so that it actually updates when we click when we select a different currency. Which of course is pretty easy as well. Let's see. Oh. No, actually I do need this one. So here we'll add an event for a selection changed. And then we just call this again. Except we switch this dot C quality selected item. Actually, no, we don't need to do any of this. This is just for updating the image, and we're not updating the image. But we do need the quality though. So that's just going to be this. Oh, this needs to be async. Do we need this string thing here? No, we don't. Oh, well, we do need it. And then this part can go. Let's see if this works. Oh. Task was cancelled. Where did it cancel? Oh, it's because we're changing the selection the first time it loads. Yeah, let's see. How do we solve this? Let's think. Real quick. Because we're canceling the token source here. Yeah, it fails on the get order book. What kind of exception does this throw? I mean, we can just catch the exception. It's a task cancelled exception. We'll just catch that. Let's see. Oh. And we just return. Probably don't need these, or no, actually we probably do need them. Yeah, I think that should probably already fix it. I think that's the only place where we use the token. Yeah. Okay, cool. So this works. Let's remove these print statements. There we go. Okay, so next I have to consider how I'm going to continue this. Something that I still do want to show, at least, is the 24-hour volume. And of course there should be like buy and sell buttons underneath the card. With, well, menus, if you click on those, how many you want to buy or sell, or what price you want to buy or sell them at. So first of all, let's see, what should be the first thing I add here? Probably just, well, I mean, I think that should, how many buttons do I want? Like buy, sell, and transfer, probably. Anything else, or is that just it? Yeah, probably those three. I mean, in the future I can have things like highlighting for orders which are your own or stuff like that, but for now I just kind of want to get something that's like sort of functional. So I'm just going to add 3 buttons underneath here for buy, sell, and transfer. And then maybe first of all just see if I can get those to work. I mean, well, I know I can get them to work, that's not a problem, because I already have it working in Python, so I just have to get the same stuff in here. It's just a matter of like copy pasting some code. Getting the actual buying and selling to work is not really the problem. It's making the UI that's more of an issue. Let's see. Just 1 second, guys. Yeah, okay, so let's add some buttons. Just add a few, copy paste this twice. Actually, you know, I kind of want these to be in the exact same spot as the bar that shows up when you don't have a wallet connected. So what if I just set this one to visible first? And then I just put the buttons on top of that. Oh. Damn it. Okay, yeah, so that's not what I wanted to do. Something like this. Now I kind of want to make them the same size. I can probably give these a default width. Let's make all of them 70 wide and then we'll adjust from there. I mean, we can worry about the exact alignment a little bit later. That's fine. First of all, I want to make this one hidden again. Okay, good. Maybe these should be a little bit lower, maybe like in line with this. Now first of all, let's make it so that these disappear whenever you don't have a wallet connected. Where is it? pretty sure I set that somewhere in here. Now I can't really find it. Could be easy enough. Oh crap, what are we doing? Yeah, there it is. Ah, of course, I don't think I've named the buttons yet. Well, except for this one. Go. Okay, great. Okay, so these definitely don't sell. Thank God, someone's selling them it's for 24. There's no way that sells. What I want to do eventually is just because it is nice to have like a graph somewhere available where you can see how the price like changes over time. But I think it's going to be too crowded to put that on here, or else I would have to make the card window itself larger. So what I think I want to do is have like on here, have like a 24-hour volume price change and wow. 1 minute. Oh. Wow, I had to cough just now. Okay, I'm fine. Yeah, so I want to have like a 24-hour volume price change and a just a button that you can click, and then you will get like an actual graph for how the price changed over like the last month. But like I said, these are kind of things that I will add later. For now, I kind of first of all just want to get the program itself working. And I think we're getting pretty close actually. So first of all, let's just do the buy button. So what do I want to do when you click the buy button? It probably shouldn't just like buy it immediately. It should probably give you like a window with like an overview of the cost. And then you have, well, I mean, you have to obviously type in the password for your wallet if you want to buy something, assuming that it is locked, because it can remain unlocked on here. But yeah, I think I actually have to think a little bit about how I'm gonna do that. So yeah, this is then going to be a very short stream. I think I've been online for like half an hour. Let's check real quick. Yeah, 35 minutes. Yeah, so this is going to be a shorter stream then, because I kind of need to think about how best to implement it in a way that makes sense. Because it probably shouldn't just be where you click the button and it just buys immediately. There should be some sort of other screen in the middle. And there's also still the wallet unlock screen, because obviously the wallets themselves, as I showed earlier, they are encrypted. So you can't just buy using them immediately. You need a password to unlock them. There's no way around that. And there should be, of course. So yeah, I'm gonna have to think a little bit on how I'm going to implement this. But hey, thanks for watching. That will be the stream for today, and I'll probably be back like sometime, probably not tomorrow, but the day after tomorrow, or maybe tomorrow even. We'll see. But hey, I think I'm making miles here, so we're getting close to having something that actually works.